Hello again. So for question 3, I was basically told that a wrench is being used on a bolt and that a force of 100 newtons is being applied on a clockwise direction at 70 degrees to the handle, 25 centimeters from the center of the bolt. Determine the torque and include at least one labeled diagram to represent the scenario. So to begin with, I wanted to draw a sketch to basically show what was going on. So essentially we have a wrench over here, and 100 newtons of force are being applied in a clockwise direction at 70 degrees. So what we have here is 100 newtons of force being applied at a 70 degree angle. And it's 25 centimeters from the center of the bolt. So this is the center of the bolt, 25 centimeters. So I just drew this diagram to showcase what was going on. And this angle over here that is created should be a 90 degree angle. The sketch doesn't support that. However, this angle over here should be 90 degrees. So after that, basically I used the torque equation where it says that the torque of anything is equal to the vector r times the force vector times sine of theta direction, and then the direction, sorry. So we know what the vector r is. It's 25 centimeters, but because this equation only works in meters, we actually have to change that to 0.25, which is still equal to 25 centimeters. This is just in meters. And then we have the force, which is 100 newtons. So we put the force in, but we substituted the force in for F. And then we know that the sine of theta is 70 degrees. So we put 70 for theta. After we solve all that, we approximately get 23.4 newtons per meter direction. That is the torque. The torque is approximately 23.4 newtons per meter direction. Now, I don't have the exact direction because I didn't know how to find it, but the torque is 23.4 newtons per meter. Okay, thank you so much.